Today's video is about all of the advantages of using steam. But my favorite advantage of using steam is steam versus these chemical cleaners that we use all the time. Today specifically, it's about Clorox wipes and Lysol wipes that we all use and think they're doing a wonderful job for us, especially say places like my gym. I go into the gym and somebody else has sweat all over this and I know it's got germs on it, so I want to wipe them off, and I wipe off everything with a rag on the end of my arm. And then what people don't realize is what this says on the label, and by the way, I had to get a magnifying glass to read the label, is it's telling me in order to disinfect, I have to see that that surface stays wet for 10 minutes. How many of you do that when you go in and use these? We give them a quick once over and think, oh, we're safe. We've sanitized that. We haven't. However, when you use steam, there are so many advantages. And how many of you wouldn't love to know that that's germ-free when you sit down on it? I simply put on my diamond-shaped brush, go over any area that I want to make sure is sanitary, and steam is so effective. It's 250 degrees, so that heat kills germs in 2 seconds. That's extremely rapid kill rate, which cannot be duplicated by chemical disinfectants. So wouldn't you love to be able to go in, know whatever it is you're using is completely germ-free, and you don't have to buy Clorox wipes over and over again. I'm Joyce Mathie, the Queen of Clean, and thank you for watching this video.